Imagine a world where hospitals are almost empty, where children grow up without fear of cancer, diabetes, or heart disease, where people live long, healthy lives, not because of advanced surgeries or costly medicines, but because diseases simply don't occur in the first place. Sounds like a dream? Today, let's explore how this dream can become our reality. A disease-free planet. Modern medicine has achieved miracles, but its greatest limitation is that it mostly treats symptoms, not causes. If we want a disease-free planet, we must eliminate the foundations of disease itself. Most chronic diseases begin silently, from long-term deficiencies of essential vitamins, minerals, and coenzymes. Add to that the toxins we breathe, drink, and eat, heavy metals, pesticides, processed food chemicals, even microplastics. They damage our DNA, disrupt organs, and weaken immunity. Then comes lifestyle: poor hydration, irregular meals, sedentary life, excess sugar, excess protein without balance, and perhaps the least understood cause, cellular signaling errors. When your cells get wrong or incomplete biochemical messages, they malfunction. This is where disease begins. Prevention must replace treatment as our primary goal. Imagine a global network where every person gets annual micronutrient and toxin profile testing, nutrition mapping for entire populations, early cellular health tracking, using quantum analyzers, blood work, and AI diagnostics before symptoms appear. This way, we stop disease before it ever begins. Natural immunotherapy can be the backbone of this revolution. It works by restoring immune power through replenishment of deficiencies, detoxifying the body to remove the root causes of illness, supporting prevention and reversal of diseases once thought incurable. Unlike many drugs, it does not suppress the immune system, it strengthens it. If made universally available, it could transform global health. No healthcare model can succeed if the daily intake of billions of people remains toxic. We must, ban or limit pesticides and harmful additives. We need to shift agriculture to nutrient-rich organic farming. And, ensure every drop of drinking water is free from heavy metals, excess chlorine, and microbes. Without this foundation, diseases will always keep coming back. We teach children math, history, science, but not the science of their own bodies. From an early age, they should know how food affects their cells, why water is essential for every organ, how micronutrients keep the body alive, and how toxins destroy health. Health education must be as important as mathematics, so every new generation grows up disease-conscious. For a disease-free planet, health must be a human right, not a business commodity. This means international funding for prevention, not just treatment. We also need government, NGO, and private collaboration with transparency, and global targets for disease elimination. The only way forward is political will, public demand, and united action. A disease-free planet is not a fantasy. It's a choice. We already have the science. We have the knowledge. What we need is a change of mindset, from managing disease to eliminating it. The real barrier is not technology. It's the health industry's profit model, which thrives on keeping people sick. But when humanity demands change, industries adapt. Let's be the generation that ends disease, for ourselves and for the generations to come.